Have you ever wondered what people were like decades ago? Now, AI can effortlessly turn those old photos into vivid, lifelike videos, just like this. It's as if we're seeing them right in front of our eyes. Today, I'll show you exactly how to do it with any video converter's AI tool. First, open up any video converter. Take a look at the main interface and find the AI Video Generator feature. Click it. Next, upload any vintage photo from your files, whether it's a sepia-toned family portrait, a black and white wedding shot, or a blurry childhood picture. Once it's uploaded, it's time to give the AI its instructions. Make sure to include these three things. Words like vintage photo color restoration, Ultra HD, sharp details, preserve old photo texture to bring back faded colors and fix blurriness. Phrases like gentle smiles, subtle breathing motions, natural and smooth movement to keep the animation soft and authentic. Avoid big, unrealistic actions like jumping or waving. Add no distorted faces, stable character proportions, no deformation to prevent the AI from making weird mistakes. Once your prompt is ready, adjust the video settings. Choose an aspect ratio that matches your original photo. For duration, 3 to 8 seconds works best, short enough to stay natural, long enough to show the movement. Then click Generate Video and just wait for the progress bar to finish. When it's done, you'll see your old photo transformed. Colors are restored, details are crisp, and the people in the photo are moving gently, smiling, breathing, just like they did that day. And that's all it takes. Try it with your family photos and let them speak again. If you loved this trick, hit like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.